Hi, this is Laura Martin, and I'm going to show you how you can use Kami as a virtual whiteboard or a place for students to post their thoughts, kind of like Padlet. So what you see here is this was a Google Draw that I created when I was doing some summer PD about Kami, and I created a share link for it after I pulled it up into Kami. And by clicking on the share button, I was able to get a link and copy it and then give that link to everybody that was attending the session. And once I did, those people, and you can see their initials down here in the bottom right, all of their initials are here. And if I ask them to put some comments about what they were curious about Kami, or what they had questions about, and I can see which person added which comment by hovering over their comments. So when they just write the comment in a text box, it doesn't stand out in the way that you are used to seeing with something like Padlet. So it's super easy to make it look more like this. And this is one that I added. The students can add notes in Kami by simply making the text box in the same way these people or these teachers did this summer. So here I go. I'm going to create one. They can change the size of the font, and they can also, when they're in the text mode, go up to this editing uh, tool area and click on the bucket and then give their note a background to make it stand out like you see in Padlet. And then if they want, they can change the color of the text itself. Then it can really pop on the board. So the nice thing is when you hover over as a teacher, you do see their initials. And as you can see, students cannot erase other students' notes or any annotations, is what they call them in Kami. But what I can do as a teacher is I can decide, okay, I want to see only what MW did. So I'm going to gray out everybody but MW. Okay, so this is what MW wrote, and then I can add back in each person and sort of hone in on what each person wrote down. So if you have this projected in a Zoom and students can open it in another tab and add their comments, you would be able to have everyone seeing the comments pop up on the board and talk about them. So that's how you can make a Kami, a whiteboard like Padlet. And again, it's super simple. Once you create it, just go to the share, get the share link, and give that to the students, and you are all set.